Yes, today I'll be talking about the best engine when it comes to heavy duty, heavy duty diesel generator. That is what I'll be talking about right in this video. I'll go straight to the points as you all know me. The best engine when it comes to diesel engine, heavy duty generator is Perkins engine. Yes, I'll go for Perkins over every other engine. And I'll tell you five reasons why I will always choose Perkins engine over any other engine when it comes to generator, when it comes to heavy duty generator. I'll tell you five reasons why I'll go for Perkins engine. Though there are other stronger engine than Perkins engine, when it comes to heavy duty generator, I'll choose Perkins engine. Let's Let me go for my first reason is because it is the most common engine when it comes to heavy duty generator. Talking about from 100 kVA, 200 kVA, 500 kVA, then you will know that Perkins engine remains the most common one among them. If you go for statistics, if you go to maybe about let me say about 10 industry that are using 10 companies that are using generator, then you're going to see about 5 to 6 among them that is using Perkins engine. That shows how common Perkins engine is. Because it is common, it shows it is good. If it is not good, then nobody will be using it. So for the fact that Perkins engine is common, it means that it is very, very good one when it comes to heavy duty generator. What my second point? My second point is because it is easy to repair. I am a mechanic. When it comes to repair, then you love to choose Perkins engine. There are other generators like Cummins, like Caterpillar, like Dodge. But when it comes to repair as a mechanic, we prefer Perkins engine. Why? Very easy, simple to understand. And besides, majority of us during our training, we learn a lot about Perkins engine. And remember, because it is also common engine, so we love to repair Perkins engine than any other engine. So to me, when it comes to another point why Perkins engine remain the best when it comes to heavy generator is because it is easy to repair. You don't need to, as soon as you're familiar with the engine, even though you're not too familiar with the engine, as soon as you're familiar with one of the Perkins engine, you can use that application to repair other Perkins engine. So that shows how good your Perkins engine when it comes to heavy duty generator. What is point three? The point three is because the availability of the spare part. Yes, very, very available. Go to any market where they sell spare parts. Yes, you are going to see a Perkins engine there. Very, very available in Africa, in Europe, in anywhere you can make the order. Very, very available when it comes to spare parts. So I love Perkins engine when it comes to the generator because the spare part is available. I don't want to mention one generator I repaired some years ago. I was looking for the crankshaft because the crankshaft is bad, so I need to replace the crankshaft. Behold, I look for the whole crankshaft. I couldn't see the crankshaft. What I have to do is that I have to grind the old crankshaft to 020, which I don't love when it comes to generator. I don't like using a grounded crankshaft because the crankshaft is going to lose when it's not standard or beyond 010. I don't love using when it comes to generator. But if it is earth moving, I can use that. But when it comes to generator, because I don't like using a crankshaft that is beyond 010. I don't like that. So, but when I couldn't see the crankshaft, I have to go for 020 and I use it. So that is to tell you that. But if it is packing engine, you will surely see the spare part. So when it comes to the component, when it comes to the spare part, then you are sure that the Perkins engine you always see you always see the spare part. So that is why it is a choice for me if you are selecting which engine you should use for you should select for your heavy duty generator. Another point is it is cheaper. Yes, when you compare the Perkins engine with other generator spare part, then you will know that Perkins engine is more cheaper when it comes to the spare part. Yes, I love Caterpillar. I love Detroit engine. If you follow my channel, I've talked a lot about Detroit engine. But when it comes to cheap spare part, then I go for Perkins engine. Perkins engine spare parts are very cheap. Being cheap does not mean that they are poor in quality. No, they are cheap, yet they are very, very good. So because they are cheap, if you compare Perkins spare parts with Caterpillar spare part, then you know. So you will surprised that even the money to buy a crankshaft of a six-cylinder Caterpillar is even enough to almost buy a Perkins engine. I will tell you how expensive some engine spare parts are when you compare them to Perkins engine. So when it comes to spare parts, I go for Perkins engine. So that is another reason why I love Perkins engine when it comes to generator. Then another thing is that it's relatively strong. Yes, relatively strong. Though it is not among the strongest engine. Dodge is there, Caterpillar is there, Detroit is there, Ford is there, Perkins engine is also there. Yes, it is there. For you to know how strong Perkins engine, you will notice that in some Caterpillar equipment, you will start seeing Perkins there. Perkins are there already. Go to Dozer, go to Payloader, go to other engine, you will see they are making use of Perkins engine. Why? Because they are strong. So even it's not the strongest, but it is still strong. So these are the reasons why Perkins engine is among the best when it comes to generator. The last reason why I also love it is because you have in smaller sizes and also in big sizes. Yes, I've worked on Perkins engine a lot when it comes to generator. Then I'm telling you, you have Perkins engine of 27 kVA, you can see as small as a thing. Then you have Perkins engine of 1000 kVA. So you can make a choice. You can't have a Caterpillar engine of 27 kVA. I doubt it. Nowhere you can see that. But when it comes to Perkins engine, you can have a Perkins engine of 27 kVA or even lesser. I think the smallest I've seen 27 kVA in Perkins engine. Though we have other engine generator that have a lesser sizes, but in terms of sizes, I go for Perkins because you can have the smaller sizes and the bigger sizes. I work on 900 kV generator, work on 1000 kVA generator of Perkins engine. That is to tell you how good Perkins engine is. Thank you for listening to me. See you in my next video. Thank you.